In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate French to English with DeepL. If you're working with a sentence, a paragraph, or a full document in French, DeepL is one of the quickest ways to get a clear English translation. I'll walk you through the essentials, keep it simple, and share a few tips so you get accurate results right away. First, open your web browser and head to DeepL Translator. Any modern browser works. If you don't remember the address, just search for DeepL Translator and click the official result. The page is split into two main boxes. The left side is where you put your original text, and the right side is where your translation appears. In the left box, type your French text or paste it in. You can paste with your usual keyboard shortcut, and DeepL will handle accents and punctuation without any extra setup. You can add a single line or several paragraphs. The tool updates continuously as you go. For the best results, keep the text clean and avoid extra spaces or unusual symbols. And as a general privacy habit, don't paste sensitive personal or confidential information into any online translator. Now look at the right box. This is your target language. Click the language menu there and choose English. If you see options for regional variants, pick the one that fits your audience, like US or UK English. DeepL usually detects that your source is French automatically, but setting English on the right ensures your output is exactly what you want. Almost instantly, the English translation appears in the right box. Read it through to make sure it matches your intent. DeepL often provides alternative word choices you can click on, which is helpful for tone or nuance. Proper nouns, dates, and numbers should carry over correctly, but it's still smart to skim for context, especially with technical terms or idioms. When you're satisfied, click the copy button in the translation area. That places the English text on your clipboard so you can paste it into a document, message, presentation, or wherever you need it. If you plan to reuse the same style across multiple pieces, keep a short checklist of preferred phrasing and adjust the translation to match. That's all you need to translate French to English with DeepL. Open the site, enter your French text on the left, set English on the right, review the instant result, and copy it for use. Simple, fast, and reliable.